guys, Tammy Russell, your Outer Banks realtor here, and I am just a couple doors down from my actual house here at the Soundfront in Currituck, and we're going to go in and take a look at this new listing. Just hit the market a few days ago. I think it's super good buy, so you'll have to let me know what you think. So as we come in the front door, they actually have a little powder room here, and then it opens right up into your main living area. You do have your fireplace with some built-ins. This is really what this house is all about, though. The most spectacular views. Huge old oak tree there, nice big porch that runs the entire width of the house. You've got hardwood floors here in the main living area. Then you've got your kitchen space with the island. This I would make kind of like a butler's pantry area. And then you've got your laundry space here. Now, I did not realize that this house had this until I got here and started looking around. This is really cool. So you've got this big garage, but then check this out. So right now they're using this as, just extra storage, but this would be so easy to convert to some living space. You've got nice high ceilings up here. You've already got the electrical. You've already got insulation. So it'd be really easy if you had a little imagination to do some really cool stuff with this space. Then we're going to go back inside. And over here, you kind of have like a sunroom area. Looks like they were using it maybe as their dining room space. But again, it's just all about those views. Really, really pretty. Now over on this side of the home, we've got this space, which used to be, I'm assuming, where the laundry was. Now it's just like extra storage space. And then you go over into your master bedroom. Now, this is not real hardwood flooring. This is like a luxury vinyl plank type flooring. But again, you've got your sliders here that lead right out to the back porch. You have a closet over here with the double doors. Then you've got a walk-in closet area that actually opens up into the bathroom, which is a little unusual. I'm sure you could definitely reconfigure the space because there's plenty of room here. You actually have double vanities. And then this is where we first entered. So it just kind of all circles around. Now upstairs, again, a lot of possibilities depending on how you need to use the space. They have this huge open area here. So if you have children, it could be a great play area. If you work from home, this would be a great home office. I don't know that I would get a ton of work done just because I would be sitting here looking at the view all day, but a lot of possibilities. You also have double doors here. Theoretically, depending on what the septic is permitted for, you might be able to wall this off and could be created into like another bedroom if you needed. And we do have a bedroom here. And then another bedroom over here. This bedroom's a little larger. And then this bathroom actually opens from the bedroom or it can open up from that common area so that everybody upstairs can access this bathroom.